Women in the Middle Ages generally adopted a subordinate role with respect to men. For this reason, in Lovegood, the consideration of women was solely as being excellent. But two women centered this unique vision of women in troubadour poetry. These troubadours were the Countess of Dia and Azalis de Polcairagües.
The woman from the troubadour poetry where was the desire and unattainable being. Today, in a few but very famous styles, reggaeton and trap, they give the image that the woman is their object that they can use to give them sexual pleasures. That can be seen in the dance and dress of the video clips. Apart, the vast majority of artists of these styles are men, but the problem is not in the artist, the problem is in the style because women sings the same type of letters with the same characteristic as the videos of men, so to stop them from feeling or hearing this type of letters, we should reduce the success of those styles.
The woman over the history has been in a second plan. Their rights were not recognized under the Industrial Revolution. Thanks to the suffragettes, they can vote. The women's rights have been recognized in societies of men. We don't have the equality, so we have to work for that. The main problems of gender inequality are the violence of gender, that is, any type of physical or psychological violence that goes against the sex and impact in a negative way. In Spain, it tends to be directed towards women. Another problem of gender inequality is the difference wave between men and women. For example, the difference between the waves is at 13%. And finally, another problem for inequality gender is that the role of the woman in the company. That a possible example of this problem are the holidays of a woman when she is pregnant. For these problems, there are some possible solutions. For example, first, we have to get to see that all are equal. A woman mustn't charge less because we all have the same rights. And finally, other solutions are equal conditions and opportunities and equal privilege in society between women and men. In conclusion, the solution is to get all the world to know that we are equal and there are not differences between the sexes.